Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are able to watch my video section for this week. I welcome you to new trading week. In a quick one, I would like to focus on some cryptocurrency pair and currency on its own. Yeah, before I proceed, I would like to check out the behavior of a UX dollar first in the market. We happen to be DXY UX index. That is my own overall bias on how to find a good straight to trade for the week. Whatever I'm analyzing here might not be in the same direction with yours or with your own view. Everybody trade based on what they see in the market. If my setup is not along with your own setup, that doesn't mean you are wrong, and that doesn't mean that whatever you are doing is not okay. I'm not at any time or for any reason to condemn any person setup because everybody trade what they say and you can only learn by what you trade and what you see in the market. So before we proceed, let's start from dollar index, which is DXY. This is DXY on our TF. And if you look at it currently, you can see that my previous video, I'm expecting DXY to react this way and break this zone ahead above. But eventually it break here and now corresponding with this level. If you trade based on history, like I used to say that you trade anything for you to discover overall market direction, you need to compare the history with the present to have a clear insight or idea of overall market direction. Now, as at is today, you can see what really happened here again. You can see what really happened here when the price break here, clear this off, eventually broke here again. But somebody like me, what I would like to do now, I will still pay attention to this one now here because as a result of this impulse move, as a result of impulse move that occur here, I'm expecting the price to come back here and pick up again, in which I'm still seeing this market going up. I'm still expecting it to go to around 107 or 108. But currently, this impulse move as a result of the impulse move, the price supposed to reverse it, but instead of the price to reverse here, break this particular supply demand zone, demand now becoming supply now. Now, price is now ranging within this zone in which automatically from here point of view now, DSY needs to come back to somewhere around here or here in which you are going to see numbers of cryptocurrency to keep buying for now and some currency pair to keep buying as well, in which this now telling us that automatically DXY dollar is currently weak, so expect Euro USD to keep buying, gold to keep buying for now, Bitcoin to keep buying, and some cryptocurrency to keep buying, GBP USD keep buying, SLD USD to keep buying. But because I says that they are going to they should keep buying, it doesn't mean that you should just go and place the trade now and say buy. You need to look for a perfect entry for your trade. You don't just move a trade like that because somebody told you that it's going to buy and started buying. Fine. Now, if eventually price still manage to break above this level, then definitely there must be a reason in which we should look for opportunity to sell sell coin like Bitcoin, gold, UXD, whatever. That is my own bias on DSY for now. Let's check what really happened on lower time frame like 15 minutes time frame. So in nutshell, I don't compare my setup with any other person setup or any other person analysis. I only trade based on what I see in the market. In a 15 minutes time frame now, you can see the way price are reacting to this zone. If price fails to reverse here, then definitely it might likely come back to this zone to reverse. And price is still around the zone I mark already on 4 hour time frame. You can see it. After the trend is broken, this is a retest, sell, market open with gap. You can see this is gap up. So eventually there's a probability that the price might need to go and fill this gap here, up around here, which which uh, which give us idea that okay, it is possible. What is the possibility? This is the possibility now. In as much we have that gap, they must fill the gap. If they didn't feel it today, they might feel it later. And how the gap is going to be filled, they might decide to bring the price around this level like this, then drop down. So the price goes above here to fill this gap, or even here where we have a ranging, then the price starts dropping again. DSY tell us that DSY is currently weak. You understand? So that's not the issue now. To me now, I see DSY as a weak word, weak. I see US dollar as a weak pair for now. US dollar is currently weak. Alternatively, if you want to take a bias now, maybe you want to see the overall movement for today now, Dox through daily time frame mark yesterday high and yesterday low. Let's start this way. Waiting for my network to respond. Okay. Okay, from point of view now, let's mark yesterday high or yesterday low. Yesterday high, yesterday low. Automatically, we are having new day low here. But this new day low might be a scam, legit scam. The reason why I say it might be a legit scam is that the new day low is formed during the London session. And when you are seeing a new day low or new day high in London session, don't see it as a legit new day low or new day high. A valid and most important new day low or new day high is often formed by New York session. Now you now have to shoot a 15-minute time frame. So let's take a look at it this way now. We are still on DXY. Now when the price break out here, we are expecting price to come back here before it started selling again. You are having new day low or new day high. But don't be confused that eventually the price might decided to come and break out here by 3 p.m. or come back here to give us multi-sessional multi-shet what do we call it, multi-sessional M at is top here. If e come back here, fine, but here since the price break out with this kind of move, here should be our target. This one, this particular level, that is okay oh, since the price break out with that kind of impulse move, here should be the area we need to pay attention to, and that's why continue selling. But look at this gap here. Look at this gap here. The price must surely fill this. They must surely fill this gap. Eventually, if they didn't fill it now, they will fill it later. If this one should be a new day low now, but I can bet you with you is that it's very possible that the price can come to give us new day high again by 3 p.m. or price before I say again drop with massive drop to give us a valid new day low by 3 p.m., which is Nigeria time, the New York session. But I'm seeing price coming around this level or this level. But in that case, we don't need to rush the trade. This is not yet time for you to take a decision to buy or to take decision to sell. Now let's go straight to Euro USD now. I need to format the system. So Euro USD, what happen? What normally happen to my network or is it my system? Okay, let me use other trader. Okay. Now, in the case of Euro UXD, this is Euro UXD on 15 minutes time frame as well. Let me use another tool. I don't know what really happened with this one now. Euro USD. Now, let's pick Euro USD from daily time frame. Now, this is what we were expecting after the price break here, breakout, and the price reverse around here. Which price for you to fill that one automatically if you are using Fibonacci retracement. Even though if you are using Fibonacci retracement, You can even pick it all the way from here. But the reason why you don't need to pick it from here is that you can see where price go this level, drop down, retracement, go up, drop down, retracement. But this one has not done any retracement. So we are making use of from here to here. So our target is here, area of entry to buy here. No, now having another right now. So here is our window resistance area of entry to buy. Now from point of view now you can see here now the price has started selling around this one, but for you to sell again you can easily use your Fibonacci retracement from here to here, in which we are expecting a buy direction around here until this price react to the price is currently at discount level, but anything can possible. You might start selling all the way from here down to here, anything can possible. But for me to enter the sell trade now, I'll have to wait to around this one, around this level before I can sell now. To those of you I teach how to trade Fibonacci retracement with a trend line, you can see the way the price is now. We are selling from here, and we can see from point of view, you can see a true candle, confirmation candle. The kind of candle that is forming now is called a something like paper. You can't even make a sell attempt now simply because it is selling. It might deceive you because the pound candle that give you pin bar can still get you the rejection pin bar for resistance, can still give you rejection pin bar at the support. Now, why I don't agree with sell now, what another thing we can see here now, to those of us who know how to trade, you can agree with me that here you might say this is head and shoulder possible. And if you look at it again from here, you can agree with me that there's something level of here, here, make it valid head and shoulder. It is possible to keep selling all the way from here. But if you keep selling all the way from here, fine, it needs to break this support down to this level where we are looking for opportunity to buy. But for me, this is Fibonacci retracement. But instead of me to look for opportunity to buy for around this zone, I will rather wait for price to break this level and come down here. Price needs to come down here because I have another key information levels around this zone. Because anything can happen. If I can sell, if you are able to sell the way from here and down to this place, you are make a lot of profit already. You don't need to be panic. That's the logic. Now let's check another one. GBPC chef. This is friendly. I don't like this one. It's not looking nice to me. AUD. Look at AUD in 15 minutes time frame. Now look at what I'm trying to say. When we are having no day high here, look at the way price give us what a gap up. So you are looking for opportunity to buy when the price come back to this level now. They must fill this gap up. Look at the way the price board and now it's selling. So you are looking for opportunity to buy at the 0.65 something. Now let's check it on 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. You can see it now. Key level of support. Got it here. From here, mo ń bọ̀ jẹ́ kí n sáré parí fídíò yìí.
Ọ̀gá, ẹ tún lo eléyìí.
Mo ń bọ̀ mọ fídíò kan ní ariwo yẹn hàn ní ìkìlọ̀.
Ok.
Jẹ́ kí n sáré parí fídíò yìí. Mo ti fẹ́ ṣe tán gan already. So from here, we are now taking a buy position all the way from here to here. Buy around this level, go back to this level. Then on AUD SLD, this one is not ready for buy. So continue down to this level before you can buy. On Bitcoin, so this is Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin is not ready to buy at all, the level of resistance here around 25k. Those of us who are around there, and you can see here now, okay, Bitcoin is fast around this level. So Bitcoin is likely to come back here before I can start buying again, which is around this level. So that's all for now. Then at gold, we are selling gold when the price come back here. It's very simple. So that's what I have for you guys for this week. So if there's any other turn up, I will share you people later.